Hello, I'm Tanner Williams. Before my time at Devmountain, I was working as a CNC machinist, turning chunks of metal into usable and functioning parts. I really enjoyed the programming side of that industry, actually, which is ultimately what helped me decide to make the transition into working on becoming a developer. I find choosing where to eat to be one of the hardest decisions of each and every day, and it happens multiple times a day. So, at times, there are just way too many tasty options, and other instances, I'm just too famished to even pick from one of my usual go tos. This usually results in me saying my wife's favorite words to her: I don't care, you choose. And she absolutely loves when I say that. So, to keep the peace, I made an application that will help me decide where to eat. So what I've done is I have a seeded database of some of my go-to restaurants that I can always find something satisfying from. If there is another restaurant that sounds good, I can simply add it to my list and it will appear at the bottom. So I'll go ahead and do that. One challenge that I did have was as I was adding restaurants to this list, it would cause my entire web page to scroll. And I didn't want that. I wanted all the functioning components to remain on one page and for ease of use and to keep it tidy looking. So to solve that, I added a scroll bar just to my restaurant lists div. So you can see that just the restaurants list scrolls. And as you can see, the McDonald's that we added earlier is on the bottom, but I actually don't want that because McDonald's is guaranteed two things: to be delicious and make you feel terrible. So we're going to forego that one. And once I have the list of restaurants that sound good to me or potentials, I can click random. It will give me a list, and it looks like I'm going to Blaze Pizza for lunch today. It really is satisfying to see a project come together piece by piece as you start out from the back end and build components and start the styling process, and it's finished and you have it looking and functioning how you want it to. I came away from this project having a much better appreciation for pre-project planning, as initially it did cause me some problems with my components and CSS styling, kind of where buttons were coming into place and where I could move them to because of my lack of planning in the pre-planning phase. So I will definitely work on getting better at that. I am really grateful for this experience, and it's taught me a lot, and for all the help that I've gotten on it and through it. And I can't wait to explore connecting my web application to an API of local restaurants so I can really elevate the random restaurant experience. Thank you all for watching, and have a good day.